When it comes to repetitive materials handling tasks moving packages or materials from A to B, it's hard to match the performance offered by a conveyor. And MHA Products offers a range of conveyors that can improve almost any application. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, these conveyors include a number of expanding and flexible designs that can be easily rolled into place for each new task. They are equally at home in loading and unloading of trucks and containers as they are in feeding or unloading a production line. With a choice of powered or free rolling, skates or rollers and optional stainless steel fabrication, these conveyors are extremely versatile. MHA can also supply powered belt conveyors for inclined handling tasks and has a range of floor pallet conveyors that can help reduce forklift traffic in facilities and improve worker safety. And you can find out more from MHA Products on 1-800-750-900 or visit mhaproducts.com.au. And thanks for watching.